madoda, suka nini madoda. Wathola madala sibuda maloya lo last man kapatiyazi nje segame abafana besikali ihlave singaphuza amanzi ezidla umlilo fire. Bathi umprofeti we-radio, abanye bathi umongameli westrata, bathi uye lo mfana makavela amagwala afihla ama-chicken boboza emva kwamabonda, babuzane ngaye bathi uphi sekadlulile kanti angakadluli, ngisaza madala ngisazoshaya umthetho. Mamela Stuganga Winsket. Shalendele mnandi Nkosi yami Spirit Chaser 2011 compilation bathi bona these tears. Msakazo Massive Metro kama lohlelo Massive and Kept 2.0 kanti ke mina igama lami nguSibusiso Sizane kakunene aka King Maloya www.massivemetro.com kulapho sitholakala khona kanti naseinkundleni zokuxhumana Nkosi yami across all social media platforms Massive Metro na ku 0749407992 njengoba bese ngithembisile wena mlaleli wami ukuthi uyazi ke na every Friday sikuphathela nje ama upcoming artists sikuphathela amajita pushayo sikuphathela ne riding sekuphatha but then thina sibizi ngokuthi ilokhuzana iwooden mic sithi bhimba ndoda obhimba mfazi lapho sikuphathela khona abantu ababhimbayo phela nale genge lebhimbayo guys kumele sike nje sinikeze iplatform mhlambe kuzoba khona umuntu omamele azame ukumtrainer o mhlambe atshele ukuthi yazi mangakuyeke lento yakho uyofuna itoho yazi khona amanye ama upcoming artists wena TTO ne like makacula ase stage ubona ukuthi lo mangathula itoho angayiyeka yonke lento le yenzayo athole nje itoho noma mhlambe ku retail o mhlambe kuphi achanyele strat angayiyeka sikayenziswa ukuthi ufuna imali ne fame yangithola into enjalo kunabantu mabayenza into bayiyenzisise na ubone ukuthi uyayenza lo muntu lento and unesiphiwo lo muntu kunomuntu makayenza into ubone ukuthi lo monga mhlebela se stage ukuthi netoho for wena 5000 angalahla naleyo mic hub Polymath SA uzoba khona ke na khona la imsakazweni wakhomba phambili sikhondla somsakazo iMassive Metro 0749407992 mangabe mhlambe unemibuzo o mhlambe unento ethizo une crush kuye girls nango khona background nje ukuthi ayazi manje sekungena iclever ke manje sikiritha ngomvumo ukhambe uyodla umratha wena marazana sitho njalo ke na isiNdebele egethu bathi ayishi number kungaze kusho impama njengoba bese ngithembisile wena mlaleli wami ukuthi sobe sihleli naye ke na Polymath usicelo mabaso sikhuluma ngamadoda lana ama songwriter ama artist a composer ngasho nokuthi uyi producer because abantu abaningi they don't understand ukuthi makuthiwa uyiproducer kwamele nje bacabanga ukuthi kwamele upresse iFruity Loop or iCubase or iLogic no do you know ukuthi you can be a producer ngomlomo utshelile out ukuthi ngidlalela ikey ethi din 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 ayidlala bese sum bum ayifake you are a producer sicela kumabaso
good
sikubingelele sikwamukele emsakazweni bhuti umdala shap kunjani
siyaphila mfethu njani
okay mfana semzini
yonke into imbahle
standard mfana isixhosa bathi ndimqabaqaba okweqabile evinika
amaxhosa lapha
okweqaba igqabile evinika mfana semzini uyazibuza njengamanje umlaleli ukuthi usicelo mabaso ubani take us back mfana
so usicelo mabaso umfana osuka ePortchepston
usuka nemadoda
ePortchepston endaweni ekuthiwa iSoshabeni isigodi
yes
that's where I come from and ngikhule and mangikhula I went to the high school around Portchepston called Sheppey High
sure
and yeah man that's basically where umfana grew up and now we're here in Joburg man chasing dreams
ekhuleni kwakho wena bhuti omdala ukhule njani khona mhlambe ingqinamba ekhaya benibukana nazo noma mhlambe ukhula ekhayeni eligrand
no most definitely mfethu bezikhona mfethu ingqinamba yabo ngeke nje ngiqaba amanga ngifihle ngithi hayi no bezingekho bezikhona because ubaba akabanga umuntu obekhona empilweni yami isikhathi esiningi you know so yeah umuntu ukhuliswe i-single parent and lokho mfethu kungichallengeile kakhulu ngikhula and kungenze ukuthi zibe khona izinto abantu abebe engage kuzona abantu engikhula nabo kodwa engibonile mina ukuthi no kumele ukuthi nginga engage kuzona so kufanele ngihambe ngezinyathelo zomzali
Yes.
engimbukile ehamba ngazo uma so ngaba umuntu okhulele esontweni yabo and uqhubeka kwami nempilo ngihleze ngizazi ukuthi ngumuntu okhuliswe kanjani khulele esontweni yabo.
Nice one.
Yeah.
But wami uyacula umculi.
Yebo.
Sithathe usibuyisele emuva ukuthi yini ekwenze ukuthi mhlambe ungene kulomkhakha noma mhlambe uqale ukucula yamthwana. Yini ekwenze ukuthi mhlambe ube umculi? What inspired you?
Into bethu enginspirishile ngingathi sikakhulukazi ukube ikona okwenzeke last year with iCovid.
Yes.
That was a major inspiration. But even before that bengihleze ngumuntu womculo. Kahle ukucula ngicabanga ukuthi ngaqala ku grade 3. Ngijoina ichoir ku grade 3 and ekujoineni ichoir wabona mfethu ukuthi nakhona uma ujoina ichoir, why are you always getting the leads? Yabo, why are you always getting the solos?
Sure.
Why yabo, so zonke lezo zinto mangizibuka ngazibuka ngabona ukuthi no lezi zinto lezi futhi they kind of mean something yabo.
Sure.
And then I think iCovid last year was just that final push engenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi azokuthini angikwazi ukuthi ngizazi ukuthi ngumuntu oneartist onekhono ngihlale phansi kodwa ekhaya ngithi ngilinda abantu abazonginikeza umsebenzi especially ngalesikhathi sikusona manje when everybody's indoors. So why don't I do what I believe I'm good at doing? Yabo ngivele ngiziveze futhi ukuthi bafethu nami nginalo ikhono lami liku music ngine voice yabo. So that was just the final edge ukuthi kuseyikho oyenze le
umfana semzini ukhuluma ngokuthi uke waba ekhwayeni ucula yabo. Ake sishaye nje singene sithi because nami ngangizima ngendlela eyisimanga. Yazi le ngoma le ethi ayibambila amaqhawe ayibambila amaqhawe noma kunzima ayibambila amaqhawe ayibambila sithi
ube
wembube wembube kithi mbube wembube 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 kithi ube. Asikhuluma ngomculo owenzayo okwamanje. Yes, uphumile esgela uzibone lapho ukuthi unokhono when it comes to kwezomculo. Asikhuluma ngomculo owenzayo njengamanje. What kind of music are you doing?
Umculo engwenza njengamanje bhuti wami ngenza ihouse music.
Awusuka nini madoda?
House music mfethu push vocal mfethu yabona.
Genre?
Khona
commercial, khona amapiano, khona deep, khona afro yamthwala.
Yeah. Ngingayiclassify mfethu genre yami as world.
Okay.
Yabo. Because ngithanda umsindo ofana nomsindo wosani
Yes.
Yeah, Nora and Pure, you come with me.
Yes.
So those types of sounds, one of my sounds engiwathandayo mfowethu and ingakho ngingaze ngithi mhlambe into yami nokuthi ibe world yabo because ngiye ngibuke ngifisa ukuthi engathi ngadlalwa yabo nakwezinye indawo abantu bayi-enjoy not only in South Africa.
Yes.
Yabo.
Asikhuluma ngetrack yakho mfethu Spark in Your Eyes.
Sure.
Ubani uCherry lo mfethu okushayayo, ubani uCherry okumoshayo mfethu uzungena e-studio mfethu udayazini lona kahle ngizomwina because nina ama DJ nyanazi ngamakhruku kabi.
Most definitely mfethu ukhona mfethu umuntu angeke ngiqamba amanga ukuthi akekho yabo.
Nice one.
Ukhona umuntu mfethu that was in mind but more specifically mfethu i-track li metaphor yabo for not only one particular person but like just feeling like I was misunderstood yabona and I was just trying to like fix things and yabona mfethu isikhathi esiningi mfethu moyo artist yabo kuye kube khona izinto mfethu ozibonayo and abanye abantu abangaziboni mfethu yabo and kuye kube problem if you don't involve umuntu ohambisana naye noma umuntu mfethu ofisa ukuthi hambisane naye in what you see fully yabo and you spark in your eyes ke mfethu. That's why ngithi egcineni there's menace in my eyes yabo because I'm thinking about you yabo. So basically uyachaza mfethu ngiyachaza ukuthi yabo le menace lo oyibonayo mfethu yabo maliqala itrack because itrack maliqala itrack ngithi she says there's menace in my eyes yabo. So manje egcineni mase ngilivala itrack ngiyayichaza le menace in my eyes ngithi wena ubona menace in my eyes because mina ngihleze ngicabanga ngawe yabo.
Hayi sokana namadoda
and ngicabanga ngawe and ngicabangeni kwami ngawe awuzange ungi-understand ngicela ukuthi ungi-understand.
See
Your eyes, the spark in your eyes. La 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 la.
Uyabona lezi mangabe mhlambe awujoli mfana semzini angeke uzi-understand. Polymath SA athi spark in your eyes. Shuthi lana sikhuluma ngegqiyazana elithize mfethu isinqanda mathe ngesilungu bathi stop saliva. Love is beautiful.
Ngithola le impendulo sifunayo.
Kahle yakuthola jayap. Shuthi lana mfana semzini uthi noma mhlambe uhleli uyangithola uceda nje uxabana naye uyangithola umdlalele lengoma uloko njena uexplainer iloko icho ku background. Yothi mayengakafiki na ku 2 minutes naye sekathambile. Uyamthola romance meet ihouse.
Sure mfethu sure.
Awungitshele uyajola noma mhlawumbe uyathandana.
I know mfethu ubhuti usingile lethu.
Mfethu angeke ube singile mfethu or unless uyiplayer.
Hayi no na ubhuti usingile mfethu ibamba nje lokho.
2021
yebo mfethu.
Awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe isikhathi manje ukuthi uthole umuntu.
No,
because yazi why ngisho kanjalo umusic obhalayo mfethu ngathi une experience yokuhethwa ngathi uke wathatha ibhavu esporweni bakhethile wathi ufuna ukuzigadlisa ngetrain ubani lo cheri lokhethe kanje njalo
ukuzigadlisa ngetrain mfethu njengoba ngishilo mfethu
ubani okhethile mnganami and what happened uba lokhethile ayigaba nje kuphela noma ungasangenanga into details
abantu mfowethu abangihethile
abantu
yeah
asikhulume ngama plans wakho mfana semzini what's your vision uzibona kuphi ngomculo wakho bhuti omdala
mfowethu ngizibona ngikude ngomculo wami yabo abantu bonke bashe ngibangasho kanjalo but mfowethu zikhona izindawo ngiyengizibone ngithi mengase ngifike kule ndawo le mfowethu yabo ngizibone mhlambe sengishare i-stage mhlambe no Black Coffee kanje sengishare mhlambe i-stage mhlambe no jazz i-stage no Nora and Pure yabo great DJs mfethu that I look up to that would be the ultimate mfethu or Tomorrowland or Ultra yabona mfethu or Coachella yabo.
How's the market for you eJohannesburg especially since ungasomuntu wala eziphi mhlambe ingqinamba ubukana nazo each and every day njoba ungayi
ingqinamba phethe ngibukana nazo njengoba ngingala ikona mfethu ukuthi angakukwaziwa and nakhona mfethu akumele lokho ukuthi kube yinto engenza ukuthi ngifipale noma mhlambe ngijale leyo nto leyo kumele ukuthi ingenze ukuthi ngithaze ukuthini kumele ngithi kubeka unyawo lami ku-accelerate ukuze ngaziwe mfowethu yabo ngoba ayangaziwa kona so ikona lokho mfowethu okusayi-challenge yabo nokuthi ke ekutheni lokho kuyi-challenge kunzima nokuthi umculo ufike ebantwini abaningi because awaziwe yabo mawungasayiniwe mfowethu usafika endaweni yabo kunzima ngempela mfowethu ukuthi yabo umculo wakho ufike ebantwini abaningi
mfethu sibuka lana mfethu as abantu abasha you understand tshela abantu abasha ukuthi the game like on its own injani
the game
on its own injani
mfethu abantu abasha angeke mhlambe ngikwazi ukuthi ngibanikeze ulwazi ngaloko ngoba nami ngisamusha egamini yabo so ngisawumuntu ofundayo yabo and abantu engifundela kubona njengoba ngisho ukuthi bakhona abantu ku-industry ngibabukayo ngisho ukuthi ayisebehambile basho ukuthi bona kwi-game kunzima yabo but ekubeni nzima khona la ku game
Yes.
kumele ukhumbule ukuthi wena ubani nanokuthi kumele ufunde ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi
Yeah,
uvale indlebe
yeah,
zakho
yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
abantu abaningi yabo
Sure,
lona
sure.
wenza into yakho nje wena kuphela
Sure.
yabo in
Yeah.
due course abantu bazo understand ukuthi wenzani.
Khona mhlambe inkampani osebenzisana nayo ukuphusha umculo wakho noma mhlambe orecorda kuyo because you still new mfethu ubuya eKZN khona inkampani osifana nayo noma mhlambe uzimele
Mfethu ngizimele mfethu ayikho icompany engisebenza nayo.
usha music ontswembu kanje mfethu uzimele
Hayi ngizimele mfethu ngizimele.
I think kuzomela ngokuhlanganise namarazo kunamarazo anamakhampani aphushayo ngendlela eyisimanga Stinos Multimedia you understand njalo I know it's one of the companies la eGauteng you understand ethatha ama upcoming artist you understand and then izame by all means ukuthi mayibona italent lakho ikuyise phambili.
Yebo mfowethu.
Guys, shout out to amarazo afana nabo Mr Austin Banda.
Oh siyabonga.
Sikhuluma ngamasoja lana Stinos Multimedia. So sizozama we'll do our best mfana semzini ukuthi siboneni ukuthi sihlangana kanjani because iMassive Uncapped 2.0 guys it's a ministry you understand it's not a church it's not a show it's a ministry ibandla you understand
Hayi
yeah ibandla usebandleni nje obulana mfethu
hey man
usebandleni so kunabantu mfethu ekumele usizeke it can't ukuthi wena bhuti omdala uzothi ulana usuka eKZN ushaw music kanje while mina ngaza amarazo you understand ngazi inkampani ezifana nabo Stinos Multimedia engazi ukuthi proper just nje kumele usipane commitment hard work
yeah mfowethu kodwa yazi mfowethu ekutheni ngisho kanje angeke mfowethu ngilahlele noma ngiqikelele phansi umfowethu ngihlala no flatmate mfethu kuthiwa uyawu Benjamin
yabo
lensizwa mfethu iyona mfethu sibambisane nayo ku track yabo uyena mfethu umuntu lo esithi noma kuyisebusuku yabo sivuka mfethu sithi hey khona into engizwayo music
khona la mthinta khona
yabona mfethu so yawu Benjamin mfethu shout out to the homie.
Yabona mfana semzini njoba bengisho ukuthi the only way we can be successful in this industry is by coming together as the community because we sick and tired ukuthi abantu especially nina upcoming artists bafethu nichaphazeke noma mhlambe nigqilazeke because kunabantu wena bhuti omdala abazokuthembisa izulu nomhlaba you understand into enjalo you must be loyal to whoever okuncedayo mangabe mhlambe kunabantu abakuphushela iPR be loyal kulabo bantu labo because they know and understand the game ungabe big headed mfana semzini because uzobhayiziseka abantu bakuthola kuphi einkundleni zokuxhumana phecelezi on social media
einkundleni zokuxhumana mfethu on Instagram it's polymath.sa on Twitter it's @polymathsa
sure
Facebook it's Sicelo Mabaso and then also I have my fan page on Facebook @polymathsa
sure
and yeah ayiku TikTok angimningi kulezi zinto ezintsha yabo lezi ezifika manje no so Instagram Twitter and Facebook.
Thank you mfana semzini uNkulunkulu akubusise lo wonke oqalile nosazoqala ne
siyabonga thank you so much
konje uphuma via ekhaya
Potchefstroom
izinja madoda sikhasethu nje manje 30 minutes after the hour 11 o'clock umsakazo iMassive Metro igama lohlelo Massive Uncapped 2.0 sekhona kena uZanele Shabalala namanqaphunqaphu.
There's menace in my eyes, like a stranger